Well, good morning and welcome to Morning Coffee Business Building. I have my Buddha mug. Look how beautiful this mug is. And today I have another handout for you. And this is the cardiovascular handout. And it is a beautiful handout that talks about how massage can help cardiovascular issues. So I have some studies on here as well as some beautiful text and room, of course, for your business information right here. It is one-sided and downloadable on the Patreon site. And this is a great thing to hand your people who are maybe have medical issues with cardiovascular, circulatory issues, and don't realize that massage can help these situations. Or you could use this flyer to approach cardiovascular doctors or even general practitioners, any doctor's office, and start to partner with them to say, hey, look, I don't know if you are think massage is a benefit, but if you do, then I would love to work with your clients, your patients, and make an arrangement where we can be a referral source for you. And again, don't get all weirded out about getting referrals from people. It is not against the law to partner with doctors and have them refer your business. You're not kicking them back a percentage or anything like that. So don't get off tangent. Stick with the fact that you need to build your clients, and those people need medical massage. So anyway, this is a great flyer. It is downloadable on the Patreon site. It is one page, so you can easily print this off on your printer or take it to a copy store, and they will copy it for you. This is on a little heavier paper, and the flyers are available for purchase with the $25 tier. So if you want 10 of these and 10 of the other flyer, you can get that in the Patreon site at the $25 price. So you can have 10 of each of those flyers that we put out once a month at the $25 a month price. So that's really a steal, and you will then have 2 great flyers that you can print over and over as part of your collection. So anyway, cardiovascular health is really important, and massage can assist, and all the flyers do that. They actually do the talking for you. So you don't have to say, got a heart issue? How about a massage? You don't have to be that person. The flyers make you look professional. They say what you need to say, and you let them take them home so that they can read it over and over or hand it to the loved one who has those issues. So again, flyers are really important new handouts, I mean. Anyway, that's it for today. Have a great day, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.